really plump, like it makes your skin plump. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and we're back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, I'm going to be doing first impression slash review of the Glow Recipe Fruit Baby Bestseller Kit. If you can remember my last skincare haul, I'm sure that video would have been up now. I shot that video sometime in February and I just got to uploading it in July. If you have seen that video, you remember that I said I bought the bestseller kit from Glow Recipe because I wanted to try out the toner, and we're going to be doing the review today. This is all of it. Like I said, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel, so be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops live on my channel. And if you're an OG and an oldie, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us jump right into the video. So this is what the box basically looks like. It has about 5 products in it. It has the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA pore tightening toner, pore tight toner. It has the plump hyaluronic acid serum. It has the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drop, the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Let's get on with this review. So guys, like I said, the main reason why I decided to buy this is because of the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA pore tight toner, because the cost of the full size of this is the entire cost of this kit, and I was like, it wouldn't hurt for me to try everything else just in case I would like to add something else to my skincare routine from the Glow Recipe. I would start with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Skin Tight Toner. So I actually love this toner. This toner is actually good for my skin. It's really hydrating, I'm not going to lie. For the most part, I don't think I have used this toner with a cotton pad before. I just pour the toner on my palm and I just apply on my face. I never use the toner with a cotton pad, because sometimes maybe at night I like to use the cotton pads when I'm trying to tone my face. In the morning, I just apply the toner on my face directly. You just pour a little bit on my palm. Sorry guys, this review I may not really be showing you guys a texture because I had saved a little amount of these items so that I can show you guys what the texture look like. But I may be doing a full review of this because I had to buy the mini size, not the mini, I wouldn't say mini, but the smaller version, the size after this one, for myself, because I couldn't really get my hands on the Good Molecules toner really quick. So it's really great on my skin. It's really hydrating. I guess because of the hyaluronic acid in it, it didn't leave my face dry. And I also found out again, or what I also noticed with my skin, is that it also works well with all our skincare products. I had used this with my ordinary hyaluronic serum. I had used it with the ordinary niacinamide serum. I had also used it with Good Molecules hyaluronic acid serum and the niacinamide serum as well, and it did work well. It did hold well. It did absorb those serums in really well. I didn't have any skin irritation from this. That was what even pushed me to want to buy a second bottle, even though it's kind of like pricey. I'm not sure. I think it's 40 ml or 30 ml for 20 something dollars or so. But this is something I feel like I might be able to reach back to every now and then when I feel like I need a change from my Good Molecules, or maybe I can't really reach my Good Molecules immediately. I also heard it's also good for hyperpigmentation. It actually smoothens my pores, to be very honest. I love the toner. It's just that I feel like it's just way pricey. I mean, I can get more meals for that kind of price with some other brand. The next I'm going to be reviewing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So this is what it basically looks like, and to be honest with you guys, it says Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This niacinamide, actually glows. Like, you will literally see the glow. I feel like there's a little bit of oil in it. This is just me, but I know it might not be oil. I didn't really look into the ingredient list for this, but it says it's ultimate glow and brightening. Ultimate glow, I totally agree, because this thing glows. It glows. And like the toner, it also works well with other products, especially my CeraVe moisturizing cream, like the morning moisturizing cream, because sometimes I feel like when I use my niacinamide serum and probably hyaluronic acid serum, I kind of feel like a peel when I'm applying that. I have noticed that a few times, but with this, I don't think I ever noticed any peel, but it glows. Let me tell you, I don't think I kind of noticed any significant difference in my skin with this, but maybe because I didn't use it a lot. But this bottle, or the sample size bottle, I feel like it's enough time. It's a lot for you to know if it's good for your skin or not. I didn't get any skin irritation. It didn't dry out my skin. Like I said, this thing glows. The next item here I'm going to be talking about is the Plump. So it's Plum and Plump Hyaluronic Serum, deep hydration and glow. About the glow, maybe I did see a little bit of glow with this. This is what it looks like. This is what the sample size looks like. Maybe I did see a little bit of glow with this, but the only thing I can tell you for a fact that it is really, really hydrating. And like I said, I paired it with other products because lately when I'm trying new products, I try to pair them with other products from different brands to see if they can actually work well. I don't think it didn't give my skin any irritation. For the niacinamide glow dew drops, I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing, because I feel like I'm comfortable with my niacinamide serum from Good Molecules. So unless you really want that extra glow, and for whatever thing that is on the ingredient list that may be actually good for your skin, but I feel like it's too pricey for me I feel like I don't want to spend so much money on niacinamide, to be honest with you guys. But the Plum, it's really plump. Like, it makes your skin plump. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but maybe when you use it, you really understand. But I really, really did enjoy this hyaluronic serum. Again, I feel like it's going to be too pricey for me to spend my money on this hyaluronic acid serum when I can get from Good Molecules or get from the ordinary, but most especially Good Molecules. The next one I'll be talking about in this Fruit Babies bestseller kit is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is one of the moisturizers that I feel like I would not even consider repurchasing, to be honest. Apart from the fact that it's pricey, because Glow Recipe is kind of like, I feel like most of their products are quite pricey. For me, maybe not for anybody else, but for me. But I kind of felt like a stickiness to this moisturizer. I felt like a bit of stickiness to this moisturizer. I felt like this moisturizer might accept maybe makeup products. I don't know. I don't think I've ever tried this wearing makeup before, because after this I slap on my Polar Stress sunscreen on my skin, or the one from CeraVe. But if I'm to rate all of them, I feel like this is going to be the first one I don't want to repurchase. I still have a little bit here, so I'm just going to dip my fingers here and show you what it looks like. So I hope my camera is focusing. It has like a jelly light formula. So this is what it basically looks like. See, this is it here. So this is what it basically looks like. I feel like when I use it, I feel like it was sticky. It's really hydrating, because it doesn't really, somehow it doesn't really feel like a moisturizer, but it's very hydrating, no doubt. But I can't remember, maybe I use it with something else, but sometimes I feel like it's a bit sticky, maybe with the dew glow drop. But it doesn't look bad here, honestly. So I feel like it was sticky on my skin. Maybe I was dealing with something else, but that's right about it. I don't think I want to be purchasing this. I feel like it's also too pricey for me at the moment. Maybe in the nearest future I may be able to afford it, but if there's anything else I would want to purchase from this, like over and over and over and over again, will definitely be the toner. The last but not the least is the retinol eye cream. The retinol avocado melt, the Glow Recipe avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. To be honest, I haven't really used this a lot. This is how much that is left. I haven't really used this a lot. I can't really tell you guys what difference it is, but this is the only one that I still have left. Hopefully I'm very consistent with using this, because I have an eye cream from Good Molecules that I use, but yeah, I can't really see anything. I know it doesn't hurt my eyes because I always apply directly under my eyes, like really close to under my eyes. But above all, will I be repurchasing this entire kit again? No, I don't think so. But would I be repurchasing other products in this bestseller kit? Yes, I will be. The number one will be Glow Recipe PHA BHA Pore Tie Toner. The second one might be the hyaluronic acid. I love how plump my skin was, when I used it. The watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer, I don't think I want to repurchase that, even though I have been on the search for a new moisturizer apart from my CeraVe. That's right about it on this video, guys. Has anyone tried the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies bestseller kit, or have you tried any item from the Glow Recipe brand? Let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. If you have, which one of them is your favorite? For me, I feel like the toner is my favorite, followed by the plump hyaluronic acid serum, then maybe the niacinamide glow drops, and the Glow Recipe watermelon pink juice moisturizer will just be the last. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, because when you like this video, YouTube gets to recommend my video to more and more viewers here on the tube. Bye guys.